Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to shift on your BMW 1 Series with automatic gear. So let's have a seat. And to start the engine, first you have to push the brake pedal. This is important, of course, to start your engine. That means you push the the pedal on the lever for the brake, and you push the start-stop engine button. Okay, now the car is running, and if you have enabled the electronic parking brake or the start or stop mode, it's no problem. You will stay where you are standing. Then, to start driving, you are going to use the steering knob in the center console to use your automatic gear. The automatic gear has some options in it. The first option is you have to unlock it by pressing on the left side the button. This is the unlock button, and if you press the unlock button and you pull the lever, then you can go to drive mode. That is D, because if you start the engine you are in P, parking. So push the button and pull the lever. Now we are in drive mode. That means we can release the electronic park, and we can release the brake pedal, and we can go and have a ride with our car. The gears will shift automatically because it's an automatic gear. So you can see this is the parking brake light. If this is on, the parking brake you have to loosen first by pushing the lever or the button on the right side. If you have automatic hold function, this is the brake, and it will release automatically if you push the acceleration lever. So now we are ready. We can drive in automatic way. It's really easy, as you can see. Only push the unlock button and pull the shift lever to you. Then you're in drive mode and you can have fun with that car, because you can drive forward. So let's move forward. Now the only one we have to do is push the acceleration lever on the right side of your legs. Here we are on the street now. The gears will shift automatically up and down. Awesome, isn't it? It's really easy. To stop the car, you have to push the brake lever in center, or it's for your in center, nearly your acceleration and brake pedal. Then we can stay there. To shift in reverse, that means we are going to go backward with that car. We have to push the button first, and then we have to push the lever forward. Then we are in R mode. Now we can move backward. Nice, as you can see, it's really easy. Really easy to use, and that's the automatic way to shift your BMW 1 Series. If you like to shift manually, that is another thing, but you can do this with that car. And if you are in a cleaning area, etc., you can shift to neutral, and that is, you have to go, if you are in reverse mode, you have to pull, then you are in neutral. Or if you're in drive mode, you have to push, then you're in neutral. You do not have to use the unlock button to get access into the neutral. The neutral is good if you are in you like to go with your car washing, etc., and then you have to shift in neutral. But if you like to shift up or shift down manually, you have to go to the option of the manual shifting. The standard shift is automatic in this gearbox. But if you like to shift manually, you have to go to drive mode. That means then the unlock button and pull. Then we are in drive mode. And then use the knob, the lever, and go left. And if you are left with the entire lever, the shift lever, you can or you are in manual way to shift. That means you can now shift by yourself. Yeah, you can shift upward, you can shift downward by pushing and pulling the lever. You do not have to use a clutch because the clutch is automatically used. So, if you are in standard automatic way, only you have to go to drive mode by pulling, and you have to go reverse by pushing the lever while you're using the unlock button on the left side. If you like to go manually, you have to go to D, like drive. That means you have to use B, and then go left. And if you like to park in parking space, you can push the P button on the lever to enter into the parking mode. Of course, this is only one step to park your car because you have an automatic brake system in it, the auto hold, or you can use the handbrake too by using or pulling the handbrake button in the center console. Easy, isn't it? Then your car is good and cannot be driven away. That is now the manual way. You can go to drive mode and then turn left the anti-knob and then lift up and down to have a manually shifting action. But this is only possible in manual way, because in manual you like to perform yourself the gear change. Easy, isn't it? So, go back to standard way and you are in automatic way again. Left is manually, center or right option is the automatic way. And you have to tell the car every time you like to drive forward or backward. That's easy, isn't it? And there's more. You can choose Sport, Comfort or Eco Pro. If you are choosing that different options, drive options, like Eco Pro, that means you can save fuel, you can save petrol, because it's the economical way to drive this BMW. This will shift short and shift down shorter than you are going to the option with comfort way. The comfort way is a medium thing between eco and sport. And the third program you can use is the sport mode. The sport mode is for racing, yeah. That means your automatic shift gearbox will shift later, more RPM than the comfort or the eco, and this will gain more power. out of your BMW engine. These are the background options to have fun with your car. Sport and Eco you can individually set up, and the comfort way is a balanced way between all of them. If you are using Sport, for example, and go to manually, it will get you more power, and it will get you faster steering, faster acceleration than in the other modes, but it will burn much petrol than the other options. But this is the Sport option, and this is a BMW car. So let's have fun with the Sport option and the manual way, as you can see. We switched in the drive mode and then go left to the manual way. Then we push the acceleration pedal and we can drive and shift by our own, as you can see. Easy, or isn't it? But to reverse, we have to shift back in the center or in the right position, and we have to pull by using the knob again and the unlock button forward. Then we can go backward with the car, get parking, etc. Job's done. That it is how to shift manually and automatically with your car. To protect your car now from rolling away, pull the handbrake. That's important. And push the P button on your steering knob in the center console. P means that the gearbox is in park mode, and pulling the handbrake is that your brake system is closed and it will tighten between the discs. So, job's done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.